Hello my friends. Oh, we're in the jungle of Greece. No. We're in a forest in a small park near my area with my dear friend Tassos, and we're going to stay here for a while to spend a few hours in the outdoors. Tassos is right here, my cameraman. Look.
Hi guys. Nice to meet you.
He's making Greek coffee. We use a gas stove because the open fires are not allowed at this time of season, so we don't want to break the law and have any problem. We have set up here a Polish army small tent. This is two halves. One half is from me, another half is from Tassos there. So you are campsite. Here is the pole, the half tent, Tassos found mat. Just a quick setup. It's a very nice day. This is mine. This is an improvised pole because we use the other one, but when you're in a forest you can find a lot of things. And I have a small lantern here for decorative reasons only. There's my wood blanket. This time of season I use it only as a ground mat. And when Tassos finishes his coffee, I'm going to make mine. You see my percolator here and the filter there. Okay, I'll see you in a bit, guys.
Ready for your coffee?
Yes. I have my coffee prepared, getting ready now. The water is boiling, the coffee is in the percolator. Later I'm going to show you, we are going to having lunch here with some traditional Greek sausages. But this is for later. Now that's all. We have I haven't been in YouTube lately because we have some problems in the house. Also I have some problems trying to finding a job, but it was difficult. My granny was sick, but it's okay. Now things getting better. I think I'm going to have a very nice summer this season. No work for me. Okay, that's all the big news. Just waiting for the coffee now. I'll see you later. I'll be back later. Thanks guys, take care.
George Coffee.
Excellent. Okay guys, may I have my breakfast now please? Oh, you see, can you hear the explosion to the background? Nearby there is an Air Force range, and here, and they must be having the shooting range, and they must be having now training shooting or something like that.
That's good. Long live Greek army.
See you later, guys.
Listen to this epic sound.
It's lunchtime. Here is our kitchen. And here is the grill. You have to be here and smell this.
Μανούλα μου. Πρέπει λίγο τη φωτιά μόνο. Δεν μας το κάψει.
It's amazing. Look at that.
George, great cook. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ωρε μανούλα μου. Είναι δυνατή φωτιά λίγο. Εντάξει, σιγά σιγά.
Δεν βιάζει κανένα.
Όχι. Μη σου καούνε μόνο.
Ναι, θα μπορούμε να τα φάμε.
Μάγκα, τώρα που έπεσε η φωτιά, τώρα που έπεσε η φλόγα είναι. Πάρε και το μαχαίρι, αυτό σου έδωσα για το πιάνεις με τα δύο χέρια, για σένα το έδωσα. Ξέρει ο μάστορας, εντάξει. Ρε μανούλα μου. Αυτό έχει μελώσει, το βλέπεις.
Θέλει μέσα σήμερα.
Θέλει τώρα. Εντάξει, όσο βγάζει το λίπος, βγάζει και φλόγα. Εγώ γράφω το μεταξύ, έτσι.
Ναι, ναι.
Ας κυραγωγηθούμε.
We are going to have fest now.
Θέλει κι άλλο, ναι. Βάλτα κι άλλο, βάλτα κι άλλο. Άστα για ώρα, Γιώργο.
And then we are going to cook some bread too.
Να σε καλά, Γιώργο. Ωραία ιδέα.
The smell is amazing.
Άλλη φορά κοψίδια.
Βέβαια μια μπριζόλα εδώ, χοιρινή.
Πω. Δυο μπριζόλες πετάς. Μία, δύο. Τσακ, τσακ.
Where are you running?
Ωραίο. Στους Πολωνούς έρχονταν ένας αστυνός, λέω γεια σας. Και καρφωμένο το λουκάνικο. Ο μόνος μου ήξερε ελληνικά.
Αυτό νομίζω είναι σχεδόν έτοιμο.
Όχι, όχι, θέλει. Άμα το δεις από εδώ θέλει. Αυτό το γκρίζο χρώμα να αλλάξει λίγο. Άστο, θέλει υπομονή, άστο.
I see you in a bit, guys. When we finish here the cooking.
Όταν μου πεις.
Είναι αυτό. Here are last two sausages getting ready. And then we're going to have lunch. We already tasted two sausages. we couldn't resist, yeah, to the taste. This is sausages that make it's handmade and homemade by a very good friend of mine who has a butcher shop here in our small town in Greece. It's not from a local market or something like that, you know, from a supermarket or something like this. It's not frozen, it's not nothing, it's fresh, daily. It's amazing. Very good quality meat. Now, because the sausage has a lot of fat, this is a trick that my grandfather used to do. So the fat helps the fire ignite again. So you put a little bit drops of lemon, and you see the fire it's going down again. Of course, it's going to be back up, but you just keep doing. We also fried a little bit of bread. here. It's going to taste very nice. After the lunch we are going to take a nap. We are going to take a small nap for a couple hours. Careful, Tassos. And then in the afternoon we're heading back to our homes. That's a very nice day, peaceful, sunny. You can hear the birds singing.
And just 200 meters from the sea, eh?
Yes, and the sea, the beach is near. It's very near. But today it was a forest day, not a beach day. Okay guys, when this is ready we are going to see you in a bit. To have a bite with us. Okay. Here's our sausages ready. We have put some lemon here. Here is our bread, toasted. It's okay. Come on, Tassos, have a try.
Oh, thanks, George. George, perfect cook.
Thank you, my friend.
Oh, where I can start? I don't know. Difficult to decide. Oh. Okay.
This is our cooking bit.
Καλή όρεξη, φίλε.
Πάνε και τέτοιο. Bon appétit, Tassos.
Είναι καμένο, άστο.
Take this.
Ναι, το πιο πολύ.
Tell us your opinion.
Marvelous. It's epic.
Okay.
You are unlucky that you are not here.
Okay.
To taste.
Okay, guys. This is our lunch. Thank you very much for staying with us. We're going to have our lunch here now, and maybe if there is time in the camera, maybe see you in the afternoon when we wake up. Okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, guys, we just eat and we are full now, so we need a Mexican siesta. Okay. I'm inside my small, my half tent, and I'm about to sleep. I'll see you later in the afternoon. Bye, guys. Hello, guys. We are just break the camp, as you can see here. There's nothing left. Here was my tent. Tassos has already packed his own things. We are heading back. We're going to walk a little bit down the beach and then we'll go to take my car and return home. It was a very nice day here in the woods. It's the first time I came in this park. It's a little bit further than the park I used to go, but it's very nice. Not too many human presence here. So it was a very nice day. Have a great time, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.